Retail Avebe was founded by local farmers in 1919. The farmers are growing starch potatoes for us, and the potato starch and the potato protein is used in food and industrial applications. The potato is a plant-based product, so Avebe is part of the solution in the increasing plant-based economy.
It's hard to find people with the required technical background. So one of the ways to overcome that is to use automation or smart way of working and improve every day so that we can overcome that gap. The development towards integrating IT and OT is driven by the partners we have who are IT and OT oriented, but also we had too many small departments and now we have them all together, which makes it easier to give support and improve support. The benefit of having one partner both on the IT and the OT is that they can see solutions for problems you don't have yet. ATS and Avebe have developed multiple products and multiple solutions within our factory, where IT and OT were both combined within the solution. Siemens is supplying great hardware and great software, and ATS is helping us to advise on how to use it, how to implement it and maintain it. Siemens is so big that you want to talk with someone who has the overview, and for us that's ATS.
We are utilizing our knowledge with our customers because we realized a long time ago that the IT and OT is so complex that it's very difficult for the customers to follow that. They want to work with partners that do both, so that IT and OT have to communicate with just one partner. If you have to discuss this with single points, it gets very complicated very quickly. Our customers want a partner to help them, basically reducing the complexity and not add complexity. The benefit of working with a company like Siemens that has such a broad portfolio of IT/OT solutions, we can select the solutions that we need for the portfolio of the customer. Avebe approached us to do a project to reduce the amount of work that operators had to do. So an MES MES/MOM system was delivered that included integrating into ERP system, to shop floor systems. In the end, that reduced the workload for the operators, but it also had benefits for having more overview on what's happening in production, on efficiency, effectiveness of the production. The generated data that had benefits for IT level, and then when you have the data available, you can do the analysis on it and start working on continuous improvement. As Avebe, they have to improve because otherwise they lose their competitive advantage.
Siemens holds a leading market position both in the automation and in the software business. And what distinguishes Siemens from its competitors is the fact that we can offer really end-to-end solutions in the IT/OT domain and therefore have the right answers for very complex business challenges of our customers. We love automation, we love software, and we love the manufacturing world. We do strongly believe in the strength of our expanding partner ecosystems and acknowledging that we can't do and that we don't want to do everything by ourselves. Why not using a partner like ATS? ATS is a specialized partner in their domain on the one hand side, and on the other hand side they have a very strong and long-lasting relationship with Avebe. So why doing it then by ourselves and not using such a competent partner like ATS?